spaghetti. I put the spaghetti in. Whoa. Now it's the olive oil. Put it on your spaghetti. Some fresh garlic and fresh onion. Okay, I just don't want to smell it. That's why I'm coming out. Sprinkle. Yeah, sprinkle the seasoning. Get it on these raw onions. Even use spaghetti. I didn't see any seasoning. I didn't see any. Oh, come on. Gotta mess my hands up and make it dirty.
You gonna toss it up?
Yes.
All right.
My hands are.
Mix it up.
Time for the diced tomato sauce. Ooh, got that. Whoa. Whoa. That was kind of big. Whoa. For the vegetables. Still want to see this. Boogie. And we making the vegetables to sauce, guys. I'm putting green pepper and red pepper. And can't forget these mushrooms to make it tasty more. 2 cups of spaghetti sauce. 3 cups of water. I got 1 now. I'm gonna get you sauce. I'm gonna get. In goes the fresh basil. I'm a foodie bird. Now I'm gonna add a little bit more garlic. Whoa.
Keep sprinkling around. It's good. You know we love garlic.
Yeah. But we don't mix it up. Look at all that sauce. Put on 30 minutes for I can stop. Okay. Yeah, put some mozzarella cheese on it on the right side.
Why are you only going to spread it on the right side?
Because I don't want the cheese. I am all done, guys. Just gonna mix it up a little bit. It's time to eat. Come here. Just a little bit of. It's hot.
It's hot. You gotta blow it, Carmen. Blow it. How is it?
Bye. You see this good dance?
What's that, the spaghetti dance?
Yeah.
Silly girl.
Now.